How to remove your profile picture on Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Firstly, launch a Roblox application in your device. Make sure to log in into your account. To remove your profile picture on Roblox, it is pretty simple. At the very top, you will see a profile icon. You can click on it and set on Edit Profile. Through here, you can change your profile picture depending on the update of your Roblox. If not, click on the avatar icon from here. Now you can customize the avatar based on clothing, hair, face, and more. You can also select on an emote if you want to. Then click on the next option. To set it as a profile picture, you can manage the zoom in and zoom out according to you, and also the rotate. Tap on next once done. By this way, you'll be able to change a profile picture of your Roblox. We have to do so as there is currently no delete button for your Roblox avatar or Roblox profile picture. Just change it into the way you want it to look. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.